This is my apple, pink lady. I'm going to wash it with salt. I'm washing it with salt. After washing it with salt, we start. This is how I prepare my remove their label. And see the way I'm cutting it. Remove the seed. This is seed. You have to make sure you remove everything. Okay. This is the way I like preparing my breakfast or dinner. So any one of your choice, you can go with it. This is my I'm going to do it lightly. One, two, three, 4, 5.
Blessed is your mom.
My milk. This is my peanut. This is my peanut. And then put the apple. This is the best food, the best breakfast. Guys, see? You can join me. Let's go. You can see. Thank you for watching.